Hi, good afternoon. This is Manjunath. Today I am going to cover the topics about prime number, composite numbers, and what is the prime factorization and how to do prime factorization. First, see the prime number. The number which is divisible by 1 and itself. Example, you take 17. So the factors of 17 is 17 and 1. So the number which is divisible by 1 and the number itself is 17. 17 is 17. So 17 is 17 and 17 into 1 is 17. So 1 and 17 are the factors of 17. So prime number is which is divisible by 1 and the number itself is called the prime number. Example, you can take 37. 37 is also prime number because 37 does not come in any table. Okay, that 3 plus 36. 37 is not coming in any table. So 37 is also a prime number. So you should know the prime numbers up to 300 means you have to know the tables at least 2 to 30 because 2 to 30 means it covers the 300 numbers. 300 means out of 300 numbers how many prime numbers will be there? No, that will be identified by you easily with these tables. Next, composite numbers. Composite number means which is having more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. Example, you take 10. So 10 factors are 1, 2, 5 and 10. So it has 4 factors, 1, 2, 5 and 10. In this prime number it will be only having 2 factors and number and the 1. So it is prime number. Composite number means it is having the factors more than 2. So 2, 5, 10. You can take 8 also. 1, 2, 4, 8. So it is also having more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors means it is composite number. So difference between composite number is nothing but the prime number is the which is divisible by 1 and number itself is called the prime number, and which is having the more than 2 factors, that is called the composite number. So you can get another example also. 32. So it comes in 1, 2 table, next 4, 6, 7, 8, not, and next 8, 10, 11, 12, 16, and last is 32. So it is having the factors 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 30. So totally 6 numbers. So 6 are the factors of 32. So it is greater than 2 factors means it is nothing but composite numbers. So you identify the prime number and composite numbers by like this. Next, prime factorization. So how to find the prime factorization? It is in factor tree. So example, you take 24. So you have to split this one into prime number, only prime numbers. So first you 2 12s are. So 2 is prime number. So okay, but 12 is not prime number. So again you have to do it. 3 into 4. 3 is prime number, but 4 is not prime number. So again you have to. So 2, 2, 3, 3. So this is the tree. 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 is 24. So 24 you have to split it as 2 into 12. You have to maintain the prime numbers only. 2 is the prime number, but 12 is not the prime number. So again you have to split it. 3 into 4. 3 is prime number, but 4 is not. Again you have to split. 2 into 2 is 4. You can do this only in a different way also. 24. 4 into 6 and taking the maximum number. So 4 into 6. So this is 2 into 2. This one 2 into 3. This is 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 2, 2, 2, 3. Same answer coming. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 is 24. So total answer is the 24. You can take one more example for this. You take 64. So 64 can be split as 4 into 16. 16 4s are 64. So 4 into 16. 4 is not a prime number. So I have to split it again. 2 into 2. So it is prime number. This is over and this is continued because 16 is prime, not a prime number. 16. 4 into 4. So 4 is not a prime number. So 2 into 2 and this one 2 into 2. So answer is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So totally 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64. So answer is coming 64. Any method you can do, but the answer will be the same factorization. Same number factorization will be there. Only steps will be reduced. So this is how you have to do the factorization. Only the prime numbers you have up to the numbers should contain only prime factorization. So that is called prime factorization. So you have to maintain only the prime numbers. Okay, next I will go to the topic fractions. Okay, fractions. What is called fractions? If it contains numerator and denominator other than value 1, so numerator and denominator, this is called fraction. So it should contain numerator as 1 value and denominator as 1. Denominator should not be 1 because it is 1 is not a in fraction is not 1 is not coming. 2 by 1 is 2 only. So you can't take 2 by 1. So you have to take 2 only. So numerator and denominator should not be 0. So numerator and numerator should not be 0 also. So fraction is numerator by denominator. So in that, what is unit fraction? Unit fraction is nothing but, say example, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. In this here 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. Denominators are different but numerators are same. This is called this is called unit fraction. Why unit fraction means this is having this numerator as value 1. 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. Numerator is same in all the numbers and numerator is contains 1. So which contains the numerator as 1 value and same numerators. So that is called unit fraction. And then like fraction. Like fraction means the denominator will be same, 1 by 2, 2 by 7. So see here denominator says 7, 7. So 1 and 2. So these are called like fractions. So what is like fraction means the numerator and denominator should contain the fractions which contains the denominator as the same value. That is called like fractions. Unlike fractions means the denominator should be varied. 1 by 2, 2 by 3. So 1 by 2, 2 by 3. See here denominator is 2, denominator is 3. So these are unlike fractions. If the numerator and denominator same, then they are called like fractions. Then you take more examples also. For this you take 2 by 3, 5 by 3. So this is also like fraction because 3 and 3, so same denominator. So numerator will be varied but denominator should be same. Here see 2 by 3, 2 by 5. In this see 2 by 3, 2 by 5. Numerator is same but denominator is different. So denominator means we have to focus on denominator. Denominator is different means it is unlike fractions only. Numerator will be same or not same. Proper fractions. In proper fractions, the numerator will be smaller than denominator. So the fraction should be, the numerator should be smaller than the denominator. To take example 2 by 3. So 2 is smaller than 3. 2 is numerator and d is the denominator. So this is always denominator downside and upside is numerator. So in this proper fractions, numerator is lesser than the denominator. So 2 by 3. Again you take in the examples 3 by 5. Here also 3 is lesser than 5. So numerator is lesser than denominator. So it is also proper fractions. In this proper fractions, the value is always will be less than 1. Because 5 by 5 is 1. 5 by 4 by 5 is less than 1. So up to the denominator same number means it will become 1. But before that numbers always will be lesser than 1. So the proper fraction will be numerator will be smaller and denominator will be greater and the value should always will be lesser than 1 only. Improper fractions means numerator is equal or greater. Numerator is may be equal or it will be greater than the denominator. See the example 3 by 2. See here, 3 is numerator, 2 is denominator. So 3 is greater, so denominator is lesser. So it is called improper fractions. Improper fractions. So improper fractions means the numerator will be greater and denominator will be smaller, or it may be also equal also. Take example 5 by 5. 5 by 5 is 1. So 5 by 5 is also improper fractions, because equal also comes in the improper fractions, but lesser only comes in the proper fractions. So more than that means you can take example 7 by 3. This is also improper fractions, because 7 is greater than 3 and because numerator is greater than denominator, and value will be always greater than 1. Always greater than 1. So here see 3 2s are 6. In decimal term, approximately 3 2s are 6. So 2. So the value will be, the improper fractions values will be always greater than 1 or equals to 1. Then mixed fractions. Mixed fractions means it contains one whole number and a proper fraction. This is important. See, mixed fractions means it contains whole number and also a proper fraction. See example 2 3 by 5. So here 3 by 5 is proper fraction and 2 is the whole number. So 2 is the whole number and 3 by 5 is the proper fraction. It should not be improper fraction. It is always will be proper fraction, because mixed fraction is split into always whole number and then the proper fraction. So you understood the like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fractions. So now you identify the which is greater or which is smaller in the fractions. In whole numbers we can identify easily which is the smaller and which is the smaller number. Smaller and greater number. But in fraction is different. In fraction it is different. For whole numbers you see 16, 18. So you will say 16 is lesser than the 18. 18 is greater and 16 is lesser. But in fraction it changes. Here, take example when there is denominators are same. 4 by 9 plus 6 by 9. You see, 9 is the denominator, here also 9 is the denominator, because it is a like fractions. Like fractions I don't know, same denominators. So 4 by 9 and 6 by 9. 4 by 9 and 6 by 9. In this, which is smaller and which is greater means the number which value has the greater on the numerator, that will be the greater. So it is 4 by 9 is lesser than 6 by 9. 4 by 9 is lesser than 6 by 9. Again you take example 7 by 12. 5 by 12. Here also see 12 is the denominator, so it is both are same. So like fractions, in like fractions the numbers is which is the number greater on the numerator, that will be the greater number, greater fraction. This is here see 4 is lesser than 6, so 6 is greater, so it is the lesser value is coming. So 6 is the greater value. But when you take numerators are same, the condition will be different. The condition will be different. Say example 5 by 12, 5 by 13. So you see numerators are same. So unit fraction or this proper fraction is like fraction, and unit fraction is means if if the number is numerator value is 1, then it is unit fraction. If it is other than the 1, it is unlike fraction, but numerators sometimes will be same. So 5 by 12, 5 by 13. Here numerators are same, but denominators 12 and 13. So the smaller number will become the greater number. So 5 by 12 fraction will be greater. It is not the greater. The number may be this is greater, but in the fraction values, the number smaller will be the greater fraction. So you can take many more examples. 7 by 24 and 7 by 13. Here also see 7 by 24, 7 by 13. It looks like 7 by 24 is only larger, but it's wrong because you have to take here the numerators are same, so you have to take the lesser number as the greater number. So 7 by 24 will be smaller than the 7 by 13. I'll move on to the next topic, that is how to convert improper fractions into mixed fraction and mixed fractions into improper fractions. So first you see this one. Improper fractions into mixed fractions. Improper fraction means the numerator should be greater. I told that like the improper fraction. So you take 12 by 7. So 12 by 7. 12 is the 12 by 7 is the improper because numerator is greater than the denominator. So 12 by 7, how we can split into mixed fraction means you have to divide it. 12, 7. So 7 2s are 14. So 1s are 7. So 7. This is minus 12 minus 7 is 5. This is 0. So remainder is 5. This we have to write in this type. For converting 12 by 7, keep 7 as it is. 7 means this one divisor, and the remainder should be written on the top 5, and this one quotient will be written with 1. So 1 into 7 by 5 is nothing but 7 into 1 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 by 7. So 12 by 7 is split as the number whole number. That whole number is remainder. That whole number you have to take it, the divisor should be taken same only. The numerator will be the remainder, and the divisor will be this whole number. So 1 is 5 by 7. So, you can take another example also. 11 by 3. So 11 by 3. So you have to divide it. 3 3s are 9. Keep as it is 3 as the divisor, same as 3 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 9 is here quotient will be 3, 9, and remainder will be 2. 3 3s are 9. So remainder is 2. In this remainder is 2. 2 is the remainder should be written in the numerator side, and the divisor should be written as it is in the denominator side, and the whole number is nothing but quotient. That which number you are multiplying it. See, 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So it is 3 into 2 by 3. See here, the 3 is whole number and 2 by 3 is the proper fraction. As I told in the mixed fraction, it should contains always proper fraction and a whole number. In this mixed fractions into improper fractions, it is same. 3 integer 1 by 7. 3 integer 1 by 9. So you take 3 integer 1 by 9. Proper fraction and a whole number. So it is a mixed fraction. So how to convert into improper fraction? You have to multiply the denominator with whole number and add the numerator number. So how means 3 integer 1 by 9. So you have to first multiply the denominator with whole number. This is whole number and this is denominator. So 9 3s are 27. Then 27. Then add numerator number. Numerator number is 1. So 21 plus 27 plus 1 is 28. You can take another example. 4 integer 3 by 5. First you check this is the mixed fraction or not. See here This is proper fraction, 3 by 5 is proper fraction, and whole is a whole number. 4 is the whole number. So it is a mixed fraction. How you have to convert into improper fraction is, first you have to multiply the denominator into whole number. 4 5s are 20, and add the numerator plus 3. So total 23 by 5. The divisor will be the same. Here also 9, 28 by 9. So here it is converted into improper fraction. Improper fraction means the numerator should be greater and the denominator should be smaller. Here also see, numerator is greater and numerator is greater. So you have to like this. You have to practice it in your home. And for I will take the addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions next one, because they it needs LCM and HCF. So I will first I will taught you LCM and HCF. Then I will go to the fractions of the fractions in addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. How to do that? Okay, thank you.